Hello, in front of me I've got Arzopa portable monitor. In this video I'll show you how to connect it to PC. If you want to connect it with laptop or PC, you've got three methods. Firstly, you can use Type-C to Type-C cable, thanks to which you don't need any other cable for power. Simply connect Type-C cable to your monitor. It doesn't matter which port. And the second part of the cable connect to your laptop or PC through USB-C port. Now you can turn your monitor on. Next, you can use HDMI to mini HDMI cable, which is attached in the original box. Simply connect mini HDMI to your monitor, HDMI to your PC or laptop, but then you'll have to use this USB-C to USB-A cable for power supply. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.